If your kids are ready for a journey of self-discovery, climb Up Adventures is the place to be. Let's dive in. This year, Climb Up Adventures is offering exciting residential programs featuring unique activities like air crash investigation, Samba music, trek with self-cooking, compass reading, map navigation, raft building, village study, and combustion projectile. During this journey, students will enjoy music and bonfire nights, along with a visit to the vibrant Mall Road. It's not just about fun. This experiential adventure enhances self-confidence, builds leadership skills, fosters a connection with nature, and enables students to interact with local communities and understand their lifestyle. Don't let your children miss out on this amazing and memorable adventure. Enroll them today with Climb Up Adventures and watch them unleash their inner explorer.